How to get your first image with ZEISS Primostar 3. Imagine you're sitting in the lab or the lecture hall, and all you want to do is acquire an image of your microscopic sample, without the need to study long operation manuals and fiddle around with crazy technology. With Primostar 3 from ZEISS, it is as simple as this. Promised. And here is how it works. Switch on your Primostar 3. Place your sample on the stage and fix it with the sample holders. Choose the required magnification by turning the objective turret. Adjust your eye distance and height with the eyepieces so that one overlaid image appears. Now you're ready to focus until you see a clear, sharp image with fine structures. If necessary, adjust the brightness of your illumination, then press Snap. That was simple, wasn't it? For further information, visit our website.